Introduction to SketchUp. So, in this presentation, we'll be learning about history and brief about the tool, purpose and uses, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, designs made using the tool, and some companies using the history and brief about SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling tool with a wide range of drawing applications in architectural, interior design, landscape architecture, civil, and mechanical engineering. Even in films and video game design, also, this tool is used. SketchUp was first developed by At Last Software in 1999, after which it won a Community Choice Award in 2000. Google acquired At Last Software in 2006 and released an updated version in 2007 with free downloadable version. Further, in 2012, Trimble Inc. acquired the software from Google and released an updated version of SketchUp in 2013 with features like extension warehouse, hosting plugins, etc. Purposes and uses of SketchUp. SketchUp is used for modeling. You can model a building, furniture, design walls, ceiling, etc. SketchUp is 3D models creation tool for everyone. It gives ordinary people the power to bring form to their ideas and to solve complex spatial problems in the real world. SketchUp is great for bringing architectural plans to life. It is very useful software for architectural design, interior design, furniture design, and many other fields. Advantages of SketchUp. Users find it a very easy software to work on. It can interact with other softwares as well. For example, an AutoCAD floor plan can be imported to trace lines and do exterior very quickly. It also has excellent rendering plugins to make realistic perspectives for clients to picture the space more clearly. As discussed earlier, it has wide range of applications but not without some disadvantages. It is not so good for soft body modeling like humans and animals. Anyways, this is not a disadvantage. We will not be using SketchUp for body modeling humans and animals, right? So we usually use the softwares only for building modeling and furniture modeling. Majority, right? Majority usage. Getting started with the tool. So this is the user interface of the tool. Very simple user interface, right? So this is number one is title bar. Number two is menu bar. Number three is getting started toolbar. Number four is drawing area. Number five, status bar. Number six, measurement box. Number seven, it is a default tray. Getting started with the tool. When Sketchup opens ready for you to start creating a 3D model, you see a screen that includes the following. It includes title bar. The title bar contains the standard window controls like close, minimize, maximize, along with the name of currently opened file. Menu bar. The majority of SketchUp tools, commands, and settings are available within the menus on the menu bar. The menus are SketchUp, which is like available in Mac only, File, edit, view, camera, draw, tools, window, and finally help tabs. Getting started toolbar. When you begin using SketchUp, the getting started toolbar is the one you see by default. It contains the basic tools you need to begin creating 3D models. Anyway, you can actually include any toolbars you want to use. Always you can customize this toolbar. Drawing area. The drawing area is where you create your model. The 3D space of the drawing axis which provide a sense direction in 3D space while you work on. The drawing area also contains a simple model of a person to give you a sense of 3D space. Status bar. When you are getting started with SketchUp, the two important elements on the status bar are the tips in the middle and the measurement box on the right. Measurement box contains the utilities for measuring the contents of the model. Default tray. In Windows only, on the right side of the screen, you see a tray of panels including the instructor, materials, styles, and so on. The default tray appears when you open SketchUp, but you cannot close it by clicking the but you can always close it by clicking the close button in the upper right of the tray. We have just tried to show you some designs which are made using SketchUp. This is a model we have done using SketchUp. This is a bare model. But once you render that model using some rendering plugins, you will find this. Some reputed companies we have tried to simulate who are using SketchUp. First is Google. All your Google Maps are all the 3D images which you find in Google Maps are done using SketchUp. Godrej is one of the interior designer companies, which uses a DSP. Um, is a company which does all interior designs. LiveSpace, an interior contracting company, uses it. RSP uses it. Home Lane uses it. Design Cafe, and finally Space Matrix. We are not seeing only these company uses it. We have just tried to accumulate some companies, some relevant companies. But SketchUp now has gained the popularity because of its user interface and easy to learn, and everyone you are using it irrespective of the size of the company. So best of luck to you all for training of SketchUp.